These waterproof over-ear headphones are the perfect solution for music lovers who enjoy spending time in the water. Whether it's swimming laps, surfing, or just lounging by the pool, these headphones will keep the music going. There are many products available for ear headphones, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check out my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, GNMN Bluetooth Headphones. With the GNMN V7 Sports Earbuds, you can listen all day. These earphones stay in place even during rigorous workouts because of their flexible and pleasant design. The IPX7 waterproof certification shields you from perspiration and rain. The ear cushions are available in 3 sizes for a bespoke fit. The Bluetooth 5.1 chipset and superior wireless technologies enable quick auto pairing and consistent signal strength. The earbuds offer high-quality audio with powerful bass, crisp mids, and dazzling treble. You may simply handle music or phone calls without taking out your phone, thanks to touch control and extensive compatibility. The charging case's clever LED power display indicates the remaining battery life in real time, letting you know if the charging dock or running headset needs to be charged. The best features are comfortable and stable fit with flexible ear hooks and customizable ear pads. All-day battery life with up to 8 hours on a single charge and 48 hours with the charging case. Fast auto pairing with the Bluetooth 5.1 chipset and advanced wireless technology. HD stereo music and clear call quality with an 11mm speaker driver unit and in-ear structure. Touch control and wide compatibility with most Bluetooth-enabled devices. Number 2, CAPOXO Wireless Earbuds. With its 2600 mAh charging case, the CAPOXO D8 wireless earbuds provide an astonishing 120 hours of listening duration. These earbuds deliver high-fidelity audio and crystal-clear conversations thanks to Bluetooth 5.3 and a one-step rapid connection. These earphones are ideal for sports and outdoor activities due to their IPX7 waterproof rating and comfy over-ear ear hooks. Furthermore, the exterior's visible power display and 2 charging options make them even more handy. The best features are 120 hours of playback time with a 2600 mAh charging case. Bluetooth 5.3 and one-step fast pairing. High-fidelity audio and crystal-clear calls. IPX7 waterproof rating and comfortable over-ear ear hooks. Outer clear power display and 2 ways to charge. Number 3, GOLREX Bluetooth Headphones. GOLREX T59 Bluetooth headphones provide excellent value for money. These earbuds are ideal for sports and outdoor activities because of their dual LED digital display, 36-hour playtime, wireless charging and USB Type-C charge, one-button control, high-fidelity music, and IPX7 sweat-resistant construction. The ergonomic design and adjustable ear hooks provide a comfortable fit, while the 11mm drivers and volume-optimized active EQ keep sounds clear and balanced. The best features are dual LED digital display and 36 hours of playtime. Wireless charging and USB Type-C charge. One-button control and high-fidelity audio. IPX7 sweat-resistant design. Adjustable ear hooks and ergonomic design. Number 4, Occiam Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth Headphones. The Occiam wireless earbuds are ideal for sports and other outdoor activities. The earbuds have an LED power indicator for the charging case, 48 hours of battery life with the charging case, a sports-engineered design, one-step auto pairing, and good sound quality. The earbuds are also splash-proof, IPX5, and include adjustable and secure fit silicone ear hooks. The sound quality, battery life, and lifetime warranty have all been commended by customers. The best features are LED power display for charging case. 48 hours of battery life with a charging case. Engineered design for sports. One-step auto pairing, and lifetime warranty. Number 5, Shokz OpenRun, Bone Conduction Sport Headphones. Shokz OpenRun, previously Aftershokz Aeropex, is a lightweight and comfortable bone conduction sport headset that transmits high-quality music via the cheekbone. Its open-ear design keeps the user connected and aware of their surroundings while giving up to 8 hours of continuous music or podcasts. The sweat and waterproof earbuds have an IP67 rating, making them excellent for workouts and running. It also has a multifunction button for controlling music, calls, and the voice assistant. The best features are: the open-ear design allows users to stay connected and aware of their surroundings. Lightweight and comfortable for all-day listening. Waterproof and sweat-resistant with an IP67 rating. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.